So we are back with another video where we are going to see a very interesting topic on how to use Claude in our SEO purpose. So we are taking an example of how to check the page speed insights or a core web vital of the multiple URL just by entering the website domain. So all you need to just give the prompt is just a simple prompt where you will give a prompt like use a page speed insights API and give me all the core web vital metric for all the URLs of a given website. Here you have to generate your own page speed insights, and this is how your um, Claude will start creating a different files. Here, as you can see, I've already created a different files. So these are the processes that Claude has followed. They have created a different um, files, requirements, and everything. And then if I run it again, so and one of the best part is it you can also download this in Excel. Let me show you. So here are the output. So you can see now in this Excel file, we have a page core web vital metrics for each pages. Now you don't need to use Screaming Frog. I mean, you don't need to pay for the Screaming Frog or any other tool for these small tasks. So let me run it. So I'm putting 3meven.com. So now as you can see, the code is started crawling the um, domain. It will take some time. It took me at least around 1 hour. So it depends upon your website structure and also what are the number of pages you have. So this is, let me tell you what the process I did. So basically it was analyzing the URL, and this the progress bar will be shown here. So this is all for now. And if you have any doubts or question, you can ask in the comment section.